So to turn on the water heater for your showers, you want to go to the home button and go ahead and push this button that says water heater gas. Once you've done that, as you can see, you will hear a beep. Now you come here and this lets you know that the water heater is on. These are the buttons to control the temperature of the water. This unit can go up to 124 as the max. And so now I have gone ahead and set it at 124. Then I come over here, turn on the water. And as you can see, the temperature of the water is slowly going up. And that is how you turn on the water heater for your water.